Summer came softly this year, and with it, a quiet urge to lighten, to open up, and to breathe. So I cleared away spring, the mossy greens, the deeper tones, the gentle hush of early bloom, and I welcomed brightness instead. The first thing I did was to change out the curtains. Instead of the swag of the gold, I decided to lighten it up with a more golden yellow hued stenciled curtain. And instead of just swagging the one across the window, I opened up the windows wide and framed it. Gorgeous. The table, well, I turned it. It's funny how something so simple can shift the whole energy of a room. Now the flow feels easier, more relaxed, as if the room itself is exhaling. When I turned the table, I stood back and looked at it for a long time. I wanted it to feel balanced, but not stiff. I wanted people to walk into the room and feel welcomed, without knowing exactly why. Over the fireplace, I hung The Twins, one of my favorite pieces. It's special to me. It's a little mysterious, a little solemn. They watch over the room now with a quiet grace, and I never tire of them. And since we won't be burning fires again until the chill returns, I moved the giant spinning wheel, yes, the one gifted by our dear friend Jan Busby, right in front of the hearth. It just belongs there for now, like a summer pause in a winter story. That spinning wheel, it still smells faintly of wood smoke. I like to imagine the women who used it before me, their hands, their rhythm, the quiet industry of a different time. Now it rests like a memory, centered in the room. I try to decorate in layers, not just color on color, but feeling on feeling. What does this season call for? What feels restful? What does this space need to breathe again? Everything feels simpler somehow, lighter, not empty, just pared back, like the house is stretching out under longer days. These changes don't have to be grand. Sometimes all a room needs is a shift in rhythm, a gesture of the season. And now, this space feels ready for iced tea, for peaches in a bowl, for stories told with bare feet under the table. Summer lives here now. May the days stretch long and golden, and may your home be a soft place to land. May you find joy in the little rituals, opening the windows at dawn, folding linens in the quiet, shelling peas by the back door. May you remember that rest is not a luxury, but a rhythm. And whether your summer is full or still, may it meet you gently with the sweetness of honeysuckle and the hush of early evening light.